Dear investors, Prithviraj Finance has bring another IPO, and we can say on this 4th August, you can say the IPO is by choice, whichever you choose. I mean to say, you will invest into all the IPOs. I don't think so. So you will invest it into the IPO by own choice from 4th August 2021 till 6th August. Yes, we are bringing the new IPO, and that is nothing but then Krishna Diagnostic. This company is basically into the CT scan, X-ray, pathology, MRI, diagnostic center. Did you aware about diagnostic center? Or if you goes to any hospital, there is always doctor is asking to know your disease, that what sort of pain are you suffering, which part of your body is suffering. So they will gives you some sort of report to get it done from any diagnostic center. If it is a bone, you can go and um, just find the x-ray of your body. If you are suffering from any kind of tumors, then that time you have to go with the MRI, CT scan. And nowadays it is a very every steps you get the blood reports before eating, after eating, for all 60 senior citizens and all. Why? Because they have a multiple kind of diseases as per their age. Even if anybody is a pregnant, then they also knows that what they have to do, what kind of reports they have to submit to the doctors. So Krishna Diagnostic is having services into radiology. Under the radiology, they are into X-ray, CT scan, and MRI. So apart from they are having a pathology, and there is another one term is called teleradiology. Yes, they are having a doctors for orthopedic, neurology, general respiratory medicine, general surgery, ENT, pediatric, cardiology, and urology. So see why we are elaborating about these things, because nowadays science, devices, and everything goes along with the different branches of the medicals. See, for orthopedic means like if anybody have it any joint pain, so what is that patient is suffering from. In case of trauma, in case of malignancy like a cancer, degenerative diseases, infection of bones in joints, so they are having different kind of injuries in case of. So what exactly they are going in inside in their bone issues, so that, or it is arterial entrapment syndrome, it is having fistula, etc. If somebody is having spine issue, then why the person is going under a neck pain, back pain, spinal infection, congenital abnormalities, tumor, so osteoporosis, see, then glenoid bone loss. So these are things that there is a how the person get diagnostic. Once you have a report in your hand, then only person can get a diagnostic in a right manner. Yeah, only experienced person can know the symptoms, and they can analyze that, yeah, this person is suffering from so and so disease. But if you are having headache, why headache is having, why the person is suffering long headache and all, so that purpose they need some sort of some whether it is a vitamin issue, whether it is having a tumor, whether that person is having normal like a stress and all. So they how the doctor come across with this, not just with the experience, but they have a reports in their hands. So those reports are come from where? Those reports are comes from different kinds of reports comes from your CT scan services, X-ray, or pathology reports. So that's the way they are working. If any doctor gives you aspirin to reduce your like a pain in body, after some time what he will ask, did is that affected on your body? Is pain has been reduced? If pain has been reduced, will you visit a doctor? No. But if you are frequently going to doctor, they will ask you few sort of test you have to do it. Okay, so that's the reason Redivage Finance presenting the new IPO, Krishna Diagnostic Limited IPO 2021. Krishna Diagnostic Company details. This company is located in Pune, yes, in Chinchwad at Haveli, yes. For further information, you can log on their website. They are having other subsidiaries, we can say. KDPL Diagnostic Center at Amritsar Private Limited, KDPL Diagnostic Bhatinda Private Limited, KDPL Diagnostic Jalandhar Private Limited, KDPL Diagnostic Ludhiana Private Limited, KDPL Diagnostic Patiala Private Limited, KDPL Diagnostic Sasnagar Private Limited, Krishna Diagnostic Mohali Private Limited. If you see, this company is having at a Jammu and Kashmir, then Himachal Pradesh, CT scan X-ray are all across India. Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan, Punjab, and Himachal Pradesh. These are their basically they are located. So where they are, Himachal Pradesh, they are based in Una, at Una. We have given on our thank you page, there is the address detail of their regional offices where they based in particular state and their district, and every detail with the pin code 174303 at Una in Himachal Pradesh, where they are based in Madhya Pradesh at Indore. The pin code is 452010. Manipur, they are at Imphal 795001. Where Uttar Pradesh, they are based in Lucknow, where the pin code is 226023. In Assam, they are based in GS Road, Christian Basti, Guwahati, where the pin code is 781005. Where they are based in Odisha, in Khurda, the pin code Bhubaneswar, basically they are based in pin code number 751030. In Maharashtra, they are based in Chinchwad 411015, Pune, Maharashtra. Where Rajasthan, they are based in Jaipur, where pin code number is 302001. You can visit on their website, you will get more. What they do, first they do patient entry. Nowadays digitalized world is there, so you will get digitalized reports too for your reference. Exam performance, like the test has been performed, prescription, image assigning and the scan, and then reporting, radiologist examining images, and then hub team send the report to their center, where you got all the things. Means like any doctor suggested you go to diagnostic center and do the testing, then that report will send to your doctors and authorizing, and the report sent for the delivery, and the reports film is a handover to the patient. So this is the life cycle of this report generation of your CT scan, MRI and all. Okay. Krishna Diagnostic Limited estimated project PPP contracts where KG Somaiya Hospital in Mumbai for private radiology, Karnataka radiology, Punjab radiology, Himachal Pradesh radiology, NCGM, where the services is in orthopedic, neurology, general and respiratory medicines, general surgery, ENT, pediatric, cardiology, urology. You can see their credible journey. They have started their journey from in the PPP contracts in the year of Krishna has started in 2011, incorporated with 2 radiology centers. Then they in 2013 they are having 12 centers in Himachal Pradesh with triple P contract. In 2015 they raised the series and the growth capital. In 2017 they are having 50 center completely installed in expansion. 2017 to 18 they are having 14 state pan India presence operating, established robust system and process including NABL, NABH, ISO accreditation, revenue trends. Then in 2018 to 20 they spread in more than 1000 locations across India, emerging leaders, and the growth raised in the series in 2019. Krishna Diagnostic Limited detail of IPO. IPO opening date will be 4th August 2021. IPO closing date will be 6th August 2021. Issue type is book build. Issue IPO, face value 5 rupees per equity share. IPO pricing band between 933 to 954 rupees only per equity share. 15 shares per lot. Minimum order quantity 15 share. Listing at NSE BSE. Basis of allotment date will be 11th August 2021. The initiation of refund will happen on 12th August 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will happen on 13th August 2021. IPO listing date will be 17th August 2021. Vridhi Finance give the subscription prediction for Krishna Diagnostic Limited is only between 45% to 75%. We are expecting this subscription will happen. Please keep watching a grey market strategy. You can apply this for one lot, that is 15 shares per lot. The amount will be 14,310 only rupees. It may cost you for 15 share, and for maximum you can apply for 13 lot, and this number of share will be 195, and it will cost you 1,86,030 rupees only. Thank you. By Vridhi Finance, we will keep updating you about the IPO's update and GMP. IPO by choice for the 4th August. All there are 4 IPOs is launching. For further information, please see our videos. Then you will come to know how many number of IPOs is launching on a single day of 4th August.